Hello, I'm Mr. M from GIS for Dev. In this video, I would like to talk about buffer in theoretical and in practical. Before I start, don't forget subscribe to my channel to get a new information about GIS. Firstly, I would like to talk about buffering strategy. While you are buffering, you can configure some parameters including distance for buffering, joint type such as round, bevel, or symmetry, and type such as round, square, also fade. And the last is a size strategy. This parameter is not appear in QGIS 3.10. How to use buffer function in QGIS. Go to Vector menu, Geoprocessing tools. Click on Buffer. In Input layer, you can put point, line, or polygon, and you can configure parameters as already mentioned. Okay, I will show you how to buffering and configuration parameter point, line, polygon. I will begin with point. Example 1. I assign distance is 10 and segment is 2. When buffering point, the other parameter will ignore. Output will always be cycle arc, but in this case, the cycle is not smooth because the segment value is low. Example point 2. I assign segment is 8. The output will be smoothly cycle arc. Line. Example line 1. I define distance is 10 meters, and cap style is round, and joint style is round. Look at the picture. The red circle is joint style, and the orange circle is encap style. Example line 2. I assign distance is 10 meters, and cap style is square, and joint style is round. In the orange circle is a encap style square. Example line 3. Joint style is bevel and encap style is round. In the red circle is a bevel. Example line 4. Encap style is flat and joint style is round. In the orange circle is encap style flat. Example line 5. I assign joint style metric. If you use joint style metric, you need to set metric limit. In this case, I set metric limit is 5. The red circle is a metric style, and metric limit is counter of metric. Example line 6. I assign joint style is metric, and metric limit is 1. Output will look like this picture. Polygon. Example polygon 1. I assign joint style is round. The red circle is joint style round. Example polygon 2. I assign joint style bevel. The style at the corner in the red circle will tilted. And the last is a example polygon tree. I assign joint style symmetry and set symmetry limit in 5. At the red circle will look sharp. If you have any question, you can write down in a comment box. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ